Reject limit. You use error-proofing systems because you want to prevent errors, not make them. Sturtevant Richmont wireless error-proofing systems can be set so operators must correct any work that does not meet the set standard. We call that error-proofing by behavior modification. In some critical assemblies, customers said that they wanted to know immediately when rejects occur. This gives the supervisor a chance to troubleshoot or counsel or otherwise investigate why errors are happening. When you build a P-set in the Global 400, there's a new field that allows you to set the reject notification limits. In the P-set screen, you'll see a field called Reject Limit. This is where you set the number of acceptable rejects prior to supervisor notification. None means the reject limit notification is non-functioning and that a reject will not freeze the system. Set the level to 0, and that means if the operator gets a reject in that P-set, this is what happens. The system locks, and the supervisor must come to the assembly cell and reset the system. With the threshold set at 1, the acceptable limit of rejects the operator can have is 1 reject in that batch. A second reject in that batch will cause the system to lock. You can simply reset the system or investigate exactly what went wrong. If you want to ensure that you're driving errors from your assemblies, this feature is incredibly powerful. In error-proofing, every fastener makes a difference. To learn how Sturtevant Richmont wireless error-proofing systems can help you cut rework and warranty costs while increasing throughput, contact your local Sturtevant Richmont error-proofing professional. Accurate, reliable, durable. Tools you trust from the engineering minds at Sturtevant Richmont.